Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I want to show how I solved the problem assignment using Microsoft Access. First, we need to key in the data information and their data type. We also need to set their primary key for each table. After that, we key in all the data given in the question. For the customer table, we need to set customer ID as their primary key, item ID for inventory table as the primary key, invoice as the primary key for sales, and lastly, invoice and item ID for sales inventory. before we proceed to answer the question, we need to make the relationship between each table. For question A, we click create and click the query design, and we need to have table inventory and sales inventory. In this question, we need to click item ID from inventory, description for inventory, and quantity on hand from the inventory. And then we need to have column total, and the last column we need to put more than equal 100. Then we click run, we get the answer for the question A. For question B, we need to have sales inventory table and inventory table. Then we need to click item ID from sales inventory, sales price from sales inventory, quantity from sales inventory, and invoice from sales inventory. And the criteria column we need to put 103, and then we click run, so we get the answer for the question number B. Question number C, we need to have customer table and sales table. After that, we click customer name from customer, salesperson from the sales, and then we need to have column total. For this question, we need to put Martinez as criteria because the question asks which customer made the purchase from Martinez. After we click run, we get the answer for the question C. For question D, we need to have sales table and customer table. We need to click invoice from the sales, sales date from the sales, salesperson from the sales, customer name from the customer, and amount from the sale. We need to have column total. In the sort from amount from the sale, we need to put descending. For the criteria, we need to put more than 1,500. After that, we click run, then we get the answer for the question D. For the question E, we need to have sales inventory and inventory table. After that, we click invoice from sales inventory, item ID from inventory, description for inventory, sales price from sales inventory, list price from inventory, and quantity from sales inventory. Then we need to put extension and follow the instruction from the question. After that, we put descending at item ID from the inventory, then we click run, so we can get the answer for the question E. For the question F, we need to have three type tables: sales table, sales inventory table, and the inventory table. After that, we click invoice from the sale, sales date from sales, item ID from inventory, sales price from sales inventory, and quantity from sales inventory. Then, we need to put extension as profit margin, follow the instruction from the question given, and put descending for the sort. Then we need click run. After that, we get the answer for the question number F. For the question G, we will use SQL view. For this, we need to coding the data truly so we can get the answer for the question G. For the question H, we only need one table, which is sales table. We need to type number of sales invoice, follow the instruction of the question. After that, we need to click sales date from the sales and we need to have column total. Then we need to put count and where for each column. After that, criteria between 1 October to 31 October. Follow the instruction from question. Then we click run so we get the answer for the question H. For question I, we need one table only, which is customer table, and then we need to have state from the customer and customer ID from the customer table. After that, we need to have total column, and for the criteria for the first column, we need to put AZ as Arizona because the question asks how many customers live in Arizona. For the question J, we just need one table only, which is customer table. After that, we need to click state from the customer. Then we put count of the customer, follow the instruction from the question. Then we need to put column total. After that, ascending for the sort. Then we click run so we get the answer for the question J. For the question K, we need one table only, which is sales table. After that, we click salesperson from the sale and we need to put the total amount from the amount because the question asks how much did each salesperson sales based on sales amount. So we need to put column total and put descending for the sort for the total amount. After that, we click run, then we get the answer for question K. For the last question, we need to have two tables, which is sales inventory table and inventory table. After that, we click item ID from the sales inventory, description from the inventory. Then we need to put total sold quantity from the sales inventory. Follow the instruction given because the question need how many units of each item will sold. Also, we need to have column total. Then we need to have column sort at total sold quantity and put ascending. After that, we click run. Then we get the answer for the last question. That's all from me. Thank you.